Hey, Ed Derovich here, Forex trader, coach and mentor. In this video I want to spend a little bit of time talking about the importance that time of day plays in our intraday trading. Now, it's not so important for the longer term traders, but for the intraday traders it can be essential. So why is time of day so important? Well, what we look out for is the influx of new liquidity into the markets. Now, this new liquidity comes in when the banks open, when the stock markets, the major stock markets open, and that also brings in new traders and new participants into the market. All of this causes for liquidity to come in and usually move momentum either in the same direction that it was moving from before, called continuation, or we get reversals at these times. So look out for the following times, and these are actually the times that I look out for myself. We have the Frankfurt Open in the morning, the London Open, the New York Open, and then the London close as well. Obviously, if you're trading during the Asia session, you can look out for the Tokyo Open and all the other major stock market opens over there. I don't really follow that market. I only follow the European market. So if you focus your trading around these times, you increase the probability of your trades working out successfully. So be aware of when the new liquidity is coming into the market and when liquidity is exiting from the market, and try to time your trades around these times in order to increase the probability of success of your trades. So I hope this video has been useful. I'm Ed Derovich. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.